Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Saltfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson. This one is my lesson on a song called Jessie from Charles and Wesley Godwin. Okay then, so hopefully you will have seen my playthrough stroke preview lesson that I did yesterday on this song, and I'm hopefully going to teach you what I played in that preview lesson. Okay, so the first thing to note is the tuning. Charles Wesley Godwin plays this song with his guitar detuned by half a step, and so I've also in the same tuning. Okay, so to play along with my lesson and also the original from Charles Wesley Godwin, you'll need to be in detuned by half a step, which basically means you need to G-tune every string from standard by half a step. Okay, so standard tuning down half a step or one note. So the bottom E string becomes E flat, the fifth string, A string, becomes A flat, the D string becomes D flat, the G string becomes G flat, B string becomes B flat, and the top E string becomes E flat. Now if you're using an electronic tuner, they sometimes only show sharps. So your bottom E string would be D sharp, the A string becomes G sharp, the D string becomes C sharp, the G string becomes F sharp, the B string becomes A sharp, and the top E string becomes D sharp. Okay, because a lot of electronic tuners only show sharps, they won't show you flats. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction is this. This is played in several places throughout the song. Okay, this intro. So basically it's an E minor to C to G, and the G preferably is a four-fingered variety, so it's a standard G shape if you like, but you double up on the top two strings on the third fret using your third finger and pinky. Okay, what they call four-fingered G. Okay, so it's E minor, C, G. The second phrase is E minor, D, C add 9. And the C add 9 is first finger, second fret, fourth string, the D string, second finger, the third fret of the fifth string, the A string, and these two again, third finger and pinky playing the third fret of the second and top E string. Okay, like the G was just now. 5 downwards. C add 9. Okay, so E minor, C, G, E minor, D, C add 9. Okay. Okay, and the strumming is like basically you start with the E minor each time with a sort of a bassy, the bassy strings, and then a couple of strums on the thinner strings, and then you'd like a C is like down up, and then the G, and then the E minor, D, that's down up, and then the C add 9. So slowly. Right, then we're into the song. I was waiting that road so week ago. So that's G. Then to the C add 9, all you need to do, keep these two fingers, if you're playing the fourth finger G, just leave them where they are, and you just move these two fingers first and second fingers down to the next string. That's that C add 9 again, 5 downwards, and back to G. So it's I was walking down the road a week ago. Sorry about the singing, it's not in my key, okay? And then G, and then near the bridge where the D, long trucks, C. Whoa. So it's G, C add 9 G, G, D, C for the first two lines, yeah? I was walking down the road about a week ago, underneath the bridge where the long trucks roll. Right, now another line with G, C add 9 G. Bright and red letters caught my eye. So that's that G to C add 9 back to G again. And then the last line of this verse, read the same as before. Reading Jessie, do you miss C, G to D to C. That's that. Did reading Jessie, do you miss me like I miss you tonight? Right, so the whole first verse. I was walking down the road about a week ago, underneath the bridge where the long trucks roll. Bright and red letters caught my eye. Reading Jessie, do you miss me like I miss you tonight? And that's a verse, okay? Now we go to the chorus, the first chorus. Oh Jessie, don't leave, do I? That's E minor C G. Oh Jessie, don't fear. Sorry. Oh Jessie, don't fear, neither do I. Right, E minor C G. So, oh Jessie, don't fear, neither do I. Second line of the chorus. E minor C G. Crying at the heavens with a woe covered eyes. So the first two lines of the chorus. Oh Jessie, don't hear, neither do I. When you cry at the heavens with your wool-covered eyes. Right, now E minor D C add 9. You made that bed, now you can sleep tight. Right, so it's you made that bed, now you can sleep tight. And E minor C G. Oh Jessie, don't hear. And that's your chorus, okay? So let's do the whole thing, the whole intro, first verse, first chorus, okay? Slowly. Sorry, there's too I've got a slight cramp there. Here we go again. Down the road a week ago, underneath the bridge where the long trucks roll. Bright and red letters caught my eye. Reading Jessie, do you miss me like I miss you tonight? Oh Jessie, don't hear, neither do I. When you climb at the hills with the wool-covered eyes. Made that bed, now you can sleep tight. Oh Jessie, don't hear, neither do I. And then you go intro. Just like the intro, straight again. And then we're off into another verse and another chorus, okay? And that's followed by more of the same. That's all there is in it, okay? It just repeats more of the same with different words. So have fun with that, boys and girls. A nice simple one for you for a change. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next lesson.